Word sorts are an effective instructional tool that you can use in your classroom to introduce or reinforce vocabulary. Previously, Carrie showed us an open word sort where students were able to sort the words into categories that made sense to them. Now she's going to show us a closed word sort. Carrie?
Today I'm looking at math terms, and I have them set up with the category headings of divide, subtract, multiply, and add to reinforce with my students the 4 basic mathematical concepts. Now this sort is already partially done, and so my students would need to finish it. And once they have finished it, they will see that they have sorted terms that they would find in word problems. They have sorted terms that will help them translate verbal expressions to numerical expressions. And they will also, maybe, perhaps, hopefully, find that there are some words missing that fit into these categories.
What other words might they add to your sort?
They may see in the add column that sum is there to represent the answer of an addition problem, but they may go over to the multiply column and see that the answer word is not there, so they may add the word product to their sort. Then they will go over from the subtract column to the divide column and see that quotient has been left out.
Do you find it's helpful to leave out words on purpose to reinforce certain words or to get them to think about other words?
If you feel as though the students are to the point where they have some basic conceptual words for that content area down, then it can be a good thing, because you have to remember the various levels within your classroom and you need to be able to challenge some children.
So how would you use this in other content areas?
Well, science and social studies both lend themselves to a lot of functions that the students have to learn. So for instance, in 6th grade social studies, the students have to learn the 3 branches of government. So I could set up a closed sort labeled executive, judicial, and legislative and put in under each of those headings terms that would help describe the function of each branch of government.
In science?
And in science, students begin to classify life. And so you could have classification terms for different flora and fauna and help them there.
Okay, thank you very much.